Hey YouTube, what I'm working on is replacing the passenger door switch on my Cayman 981, which should be the same as the 982 or 718. So here is a Porsche switch. What I've done is pry this out because I knew the locations because I had the new switch. So I knew where to pry it. It didn't cause any damage, and that really wasn't a problem. The issue is that the wire inside is really short. It's going to be difficult to show you. So if I move this switch all the way forward to look at the back, that's all I can show you. You can see the wires under there. There's just not much there. I really don't want to take the door panel off. I will if I have to. So what I've got is a set of really long needle nose pliers, and I'm going to try to pull that connector off. So if you look at this, this is the back of the switch. The wires enter from the rear. I think I can pull that wire connector rearward and then put the new one in. It should take just a few minutes. So what I did was got some different needle nose pliers. Now these have serrations in the jaws. I held on the left side and tugged to the rear, and it popped out. I'm holding on to it so I can easily install the new switch. This whole process should take about 5 minutes. Now before you seat this, it's important that you test it because it is difficult. So let's work on this. Down. Looks good. Up. Okay, we're good.